how did you hear about Premium Care?
I heard about Premium Care through a couple of friends of ours who came down here from Texas in October. And I'd been researching plastic surgery for about 2 years, had a consultation in the United States, wasn't thrilled with my consultation.
Okay.
As far as the cost and also the impersonal interview that I had with the physician. So after knowing our friends had come down here and were really happy with their results, I started researching Premium Care.
Okay, that's great. And how did you know that Dr. Campbell and Dr. Restrepo were the right doctors for you?
I looked on their website, I saw their YouTube videos, I saw testimonials from other people. And since I'm in the healthcare profession, I know a little bit about what to listen for. And I did, and I really felt that they were very genuine. And all the testimonials that I'd seen and from our personal friends really sold me on giving them a try. And then Dr. Campbell called me, and we had talked for a good half hour.
Oh, great.
And he was very genuine.
Great, I'm glad to hear that. And now that you already have your procedure done, do you think that Premium Care lives up to its name?
Yes, I do, 100%. 100% I do.
Can you please give me more details about your recovery process, the follow-up with Premium Care?
When I met with Dr. Campbell and Dr. Carolina, they asked me what my expectations were. And my expectations were not to look like I'm 30 years old, but to look less tired every day. And they said, yeah, that's what the goal would be. So my expectations were met before I even had the surgery. The follow-up care was incredible. The nurse that I met the first night was very warm, compassionate. And again, I knew that all the nurses that I had encountered were very professional and knew what they were doing.
I know your surgery was very recent.
Yes.
Are you happy with the results so far?
Yes, I am. I'm happy with the results. I'm happy with recovery time. Again, my expectations were everything that they told me they would be. And from day one, I've had required no pain medication whatsoever. And I'm very compliant and listening to all the instructions that they told me, which really helps.
Oh, great. And so many people is wondering how is going through a surgical process. Can you please tell me how you felt the day of your surgery?
I was very relaxed about it because I've had surgeries in the past that weren't elective, but were needed. And so I was probably less nervous because I've been through surgery before. And I also, with the research that I did before having the plastic surgery, I knew this was not going to be a walk in the park or easy, but that was my attitude. My attitude was very positive going in, and that's how it was coming out.
Okay, thanks. And now, changing a little bit the subject, did you have time to enjoy the city?
No, I did not. And part of it was, I think part of it is, I really listened to my body. I mean, I thought I would be on the treadmill the next day and doing exercise because I'm very physically active as a rule. But I had peaks and valleys where I feel really good and then I'd be really tired and I just would give into it and rest. And that worked for me. We went out to dinner every night into some beautiful places, so I saved my energy for going out to eat at good restaurants.
Okay, so that's it. Maybe if you want to share something else about your experience with Premium Care, I would love to hear that.
I felt everyone at Premium Care from the day that I met Dr. Campbell and Dr. Carolina and the staff. I felt that everyone was happy with what they did. Everyone was professional. You could tell that they were happy with what they were doing, and that showed in their professionalism and their knowledge of the surgery that I had. Every follow-up I had with every nurse that came to see me every day was wonderful. My follow-up with Dr. Campbell and Dr. Carolina was wonderful. Everyone. The front desk, all the email communication I had before I even came down here was just spot on and professional.
Thank you so much for trust in premium care, and I'm really happy that you had a positive experience with us, and that's it. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us.
I will make referrals.